Now, amid strained ties, bilateral ties between Bangladesh and India, it's Dhaka that has summoned back its envoy from New Delhi. Following an urgent call from the Foreign Ministry Bangladesh High Commissioner to India, Riaz Hamidullah reached Dhaka overnight. Bangladesh Daily Pratham Alo, quoting sources, claimed that in view of the recent situation in bilateral ties with India, Riaz Hamidullah was called to Dhaka on an urgent basis. Our Assistant Editor for Foreign Affairs, Siddhant Sibal, has sent us this report.
Back-to-back developments coming from Bangladesh. Now it's being reported that the Bangladeshi High Commissioner to Delhi has returned back to the capital Dhaka after an urgent message. The development comes at a time when India-Bangladesh relationship remain quite bitter in the aftermath of protests happening near the Indian diplomatic post in Bangladesh and also the Bangladeshi diplomatic post here in India. We have seen the High Commissioners, both sides being summoned by the respective foreign ministries as well, and we know that the inflammatory statements by the political leaders in Bangladesh is only adding to the tensions between the two countries. Also, we have seen the demise of the former Bangladesh Prime Minister Khaleda Zia, and the Indian Prime Minister extending his condolences as well. And this development is seen as significant, coming at a time when there is huge political transformation that is underway in the country ahead of the 12th February elections. With video journalist Neeraj Patel, Siddhant Sibal for WION in New Delhi.